Okay, so this is going to be a quick video on a couple of tips of class management, how to control a noisy ukulele lesson.
Yeah, absolutely. Because if you've got a class full of children all with ukuleles, it's possible.
Why would you do it?
Certainly, some of the children we've worked with, and maybe the children you're working with, this might be the opportunity, the first chance they've had to play an actual instrument. They're not used to music. They're not used to having a noisy, exciting instrument in front of them. So they're going to want to play with it, and they're going to want to fiddle with it.
Yeah.
I personally always try and include a bit of time where I actually just allow them to do that in the lesson. Usually as sort of practice time. So I'll teach them a C major, and then instead of expecting them all to silently put their finger on the right place, kind of just allow them as they're doing it to have a play. And some of them will just pick notes and some of them will strum, but they're just getting that opportunity to explore the instrument and find it, as well as doing the task that I've asked them to.
Yeah.
So I find that's quite useful.
Okay, so my 2 tips, here they are. The first tip is this, it's a G chord, and all you do is you strum the G chord, and then you do the arm grab of power.
Not only is that quite fun,
but
it's musical. It's very similar to the old clapper rhythm and everyone claps it back. It's a really similar idea, it's just a bit more fun.
Yeah, and what it does, the is kind of important actually, because the kids at the back probably can't hear the G being strummed. They might do, but they will definitely hear the And so that will stop the kids, and it saves you having to do the clap, and it is a musical thing to do rather than just doing clapping a rhythm, which, we start off with this idea that we're going to change the rhythm, but the rhythm stays the same for the whole year, doesn't it? We all know it does. Yeah. And my second tip is this, and now I'm going to sing this, so you don't have to sing it, we'll talk about that in a second, but this is, if I want the kids to stop and put the ukuleles down because I'm going to do something, maybe we're going to watch a video, or maybe we're going to watch some performance, so I don't want them holding the ukulele because it's going to be too much of a temptation. I do this is my song. Put them on the table, please. And I'll do that, and I'll keep singing it until they get it. So I'll be like, put them on the table, please. And you can add more lyrics. Put them on the table, please. Please put them down, down, please. I'm still waiting for you, put them down. You at the back, you're still holding your uke. Look at everybody, they put them down. Put them on the table, please. So now, if you're not confident with singing...
Yeah, that could all just be spoken. You could just go, put them on the table, please. And you could just say it. You don't need to sing it.
And then, the clever thing then is that you use that as a musical instruction. So you sing it for the first couple of weeks, but then you can get away with just... a C to G to C, that's all I'm doing. And that, because those 2 chords are really strong, they'll hear it and they'll know it. And so you could even do this, and this is great, so you could say, right, in my maths lesson, when I want you to put your pencils down, I'm going to do the... Yeah? So you can start incorporating the ukulele into these other subjects that maybe aren't there, and just to have that musical thing. And then, write your own. Make up your own little songs, and say, right, when I do this... that means we're going to sit at the carpet. You can have as much fun with it as you want.
Okay.